You may have seen these historical shorts, and also they are getting millions of views and subscribers, and for making these videos you have to use AI. And in just few minutes you can also create viral shorts just like them. And the main thing is that all the AI tools that we are going to use to make these historical shorts are for free and cost nothing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We will divide our video in 5 parts. The first part of the video is script research, and for this we will use ChatGPT. First, open the Chrome browser and search for ChatGPT. Once you open it, here click on Write Prompt. Now write, that act as an expert YouTuber who is expert in making history videos. Now as you can see, script for our video is ready. Now moving to second part. In this part we will create images by AI. After we get the script, now right here, give me prompt of every scene. After the prompt generation, now copy the first prompt after image prompt. Now again go to Chrome and search for Leonardo AI and open it. Once you open it, click on the image generation. And now here paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. After that, click on the generate. In few seconds our images will be ready. After that, copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here, and again click on generate and your images will be ready. And now follow this method for all images. The third part of the video is voiceover. Now we will do voiceover for our shorts. The site we will use for our shorts is PlayH. Now open ChatGPT and copy the first scene of the script that we generated for video. Now open the Chrome browser and search for PlayH. Once you open it, paste the script here that you copied from ChatGPT. Now follow the same method for all the script, copy it from ChatGPT, and paste it in place T and click on the generate. And then download it. Moving to the fourth part of the video. The fourth part is image to video creation. Search for Runway ML in Chrome browser and click on the image option. And now here, click on the upload option and upload your file. Click on the generate option. It will convert your image to video. Apply this process for all videos. Moving to the last part of the video, which is video editing. First, import all the materials that you prepared for the video. Now import audio. Once you do this, now arrange the clips according to audio. After this, add text to the video according to your audio. Once you have added text to video, now simply export it. Now our video is ready. Let's check it. In 509 BC, Rome cast off its monarchy, establishing itself as a republic. But did you know the Roman Republic was no democracy? Instead, power lay in the hands of a select few. This elite body, comprising wealthy aristocrats, made key decisions, from legislation to military campaigns. Yet, as Rome expanded, so did its ambitions. Enter Julius Caesar, a general who defied Senate authority, seizing power for himself. But beware the Ides of March. In 44b, Caesar fell victim to a conspiracy, his death plunging Rome into chaos. The video is perfect as we expected. If you have any issues regarding any topic, let me know in comments so I can reply you. If you enjoyed watching the video, like video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.